Now, AHA BHA exfoliation is quite new in India. When it comes to exfoliation, a lot of us still think of all those, coffee scrubs and walnut scrubs that we grew up using here. While physical exfoliation is still something I prefer over chemical one, I also know the harm behind chemical exfoliation in a wrong way. I mean, if you use it in a wrong way. I just want to, go over on how to use product like this, or more so on how to correctly use AHA BHA exfoliation in general. Use this gel or any AHA BHA serum you have with you. Make sure that you use it on a cleansed, slightly wet face after your toner and before your moisturizer and sunscreen. You can use it in the morning and nighttime both. Second thing to remember is niacinamide and AHAs have been claimed to impact the efficiency of vitamin C. Although this is not 100% proven, some websites suggest that this gel should not be used in a conjunction with vitamin C or any derivatives of vitamin C. You can go ahead and research what are all the derivatives of vitamin C, just to be on safer sides. And if you currently use any vitamin C marketed product, save it for daytime routine and then use this one for nighttime routine. Third thing is avoid direct sun exposure once you start using this gel. The strong concentration of chemical exfoliator and actives in the formula is going to sensitize your skin to UV rays. Sun damage could adversely affect your hyperpigmentation by further darkening it, and it increases your likelihood of developing serious skin condition. Wear it and reapply SPF over it every 2 hours. Do not go all in all at once. AHA BHAs require that you gradually build up a tolerance to them over time. Start using this gel on alternative nights for 2 weeks and then proceed to use it every night if needs. And only if your skin is not feeling irritated or acting out in any way. Like you have to make sure, you have to keep checking your skin if anything is changing for the bad.